Have you ever wondered if sending sensitive information via email is a good idea? Ever wondered about the security of your information, like tax reports, W-2s, or social security numbers? Or how about that email to your lawyer or CPA? Enter Guard Encryption. Benefit from state-of-the-art encryption when sending emails or saving documents in Drive. Protect your emails from prying eyes. With a single click, you can easily send important emails securely whenever you need to. Setup is easy. Just create a password, and you never have to worry about complicated setup or key management. And Guard is compatible with other PGP email programs, and also has an easy-to-use guest mode. So no need to worry about whether or not the person receiving your email can decrypt it. Guard, bringing peace of mind to email.